We want to solve the right triangle in which a equals 2 and b equals 5. Well, I need to know what that looks like so I know if I'm looking for alpha or if I'm looking for beta and or how to find c. So we're going to draw our triangle. Now it says a equals 2. Remember, you can put your a's and your b's on either leg as long as the corresponding angle is across from it. So here's b, so beta comes up here. And a, the opposite, is going to be alpha. Now, I need to find out what c is. That would make my life so much easier. So how do you find c? Well, if you remember, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And I know what a and b are, so I've got 2 squared plus 5 squared. So that's going to be 29. But that's c squared, and I need c. So c is going to be the square root of 29. So I found c. So now all I need is alpha and I need beta. So how am I going to do that? Well, lots of people like to use sine. And it's whatever you get most comfortable doing, that's fine. So we're going to do sine of alpha. So sine of alpha equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. Well, what is opposite of the alpha angle? That's going to be the 2. And that's going to be over the hypotenuse, which we just said was the square root of 29. Now I'm going to go ahead and get approximate values because I need to find the actual angles. And when I do that, I get approximately 21.8 degrees. So now how am I going to find the other angle? Well, I know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is 180. Well, we just found alpha, which is 21.8. We're looking for beta. We know gamma, that's the 90-degree angle, and that's going to equal to 180. So when I solve this, I'm going to find that beta is 68.2 degrees. So make sure you know we found beta, and we found alpha, and then the third part of this is we found c.